Hey guys, it's Mr. S. Now today what we're here to do is we're going to go over the rules for our brand new hero training. Rule number 1, watch the exercise screen to see what exercise you will be doing. So right here, up on the top, it says Vixen vertical jump. So what that is that's the exercise you're going to be doing, and I'll explain a little more of that rule in a little bit. But that is our exercise rest screen. So anytime you see that screen, there is going to be an exercise on there, and it's a time for you to rest and look at the exercise and see how it's performed. Okay, as you can see, the Vixen vertical jump, right below that is a GIF of me doing the Vixen vertical jump. It's just jumping straight up in the air, vertical. Okay. Rule number 2, choose a hero on the screen to exercise with. All throughout this training, there's going to be all kinds of heroes from the Marvel and DC universe. So anytime you see those heroes on the screen, you want to pick one of the heroes to exercise with. Just one. Okay. Rule number 3, anytime a hero moves on the screen, you have to jog in place. So let's say I chose Superman because I know he's on the first screen. Once Superman moves, I move as well. So I'm going to start jogging in place. Okay. Finally, rule number 4. Anytime your hero touches another hero on screen, you have to perform the exercise you saw on the exercise screen. Okay. Now let me explain that one because this is where it gets a little interesting. So on every screen, there's either 2 or more heroes. So you're going to choose one hero. And once they start moving, you're going to start jogging in place. Now, anytime that your hero that you chose to exercise with comes in contact, occupies the same space, runs into or touches any other hero on the screen, then you have to perform the exercise that was on the exercise screen. So, as we showed you in rule 1, right here up at the top, the Vixen vertical jump. So that's going to be the first exercise you have to do in this hero training. So if Superman is moving around the screen, you're jogging with him. If he comes in contact with another character, which in that screen is going to be Thor, anytime that they touch, you're going to have to do a vertical jump. And you have to continue that vertical jump while they're touching. Once they separate, you go back to jog. So they touch, you jump, they come apart, you start jogging in place again. Okay? Real simple. All right? Those are our rules. Hope you enjoy it. Have fun. Let's play.
you.